Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing my second graduation makeup tutorial, and this time I wanted to go a little bit more glam with the makeup, and I wanted to make it a red themed look to kind of incorporate the school colors for Central. So yeah, if you want to see how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. This is the Smashbox Photo Finish Lid Primer, and it is in the shade Light. And I'm just going to place that around my eyelids. Now, you know that normally I use the Smashbox Photo Finish Shadow Primer, which is clear. The difference is this one has pigment to it, so it's going to cover up any discoloration or veins or anything like that on your eyelids so that you have a smooth and flawless base to put your eyeshadow over. So now I'm just going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio in the shade Holy Crop. And I'm going to grab a little crease brush, and I'm just going to take this dark shade right here, and I'm going to pick up a very, very, very small amount and tap it off and place that in my crease. So now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the red shade and a little bit of the brown shade. So I'm going to dip into the red and then into the brown a tiny bit, just to make the red a little bit deeper. And I'm going to place that right on the outer corner of my eye. And then I'm going to dip my finger in just the red right here and place that right in the center of my eyelid. I'm going to dip my brush in the red and in the light shimmer to lighten the red a little bit and place that right next to the plain red. And then I'm going to dip my finger just in the light shade and place that right in the inner corner. Now I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush and blend out the edges of the eyeshadow. And this look is a little bit more bold than the other graduation look that I did, so I think I'm going to do a small little winged liner. You could always just line the upper lash line and not do a wing, but I think that I'm just going to do a very small wing. So now I'm going to go in with the lower lash line, and I'm going to start out the same way I started on my upper lash line and go in with the brown shade mixed with the red shade, and then I'm just going to go in and place that on the outer corners. And then just the red, and then the red and the light color. Then I'm just going to go in with highlight. I'm using the Spotlight Palette Pearl and my Smashbox Precise Highlighting Brush. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with some mascara. This is my Smashbox Superfan Fanned Out Mascara. Okay, and now for lips, I'm just going to go in with my favorite nude lip right now, which is the Smashbox Gloss Angeles in the shade 72 and Honey. Okay, so here is the finished makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope this gave you some inspiration for your own graduation makeup. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow trios. The colors are just so beautiful, and they're super pigmented and gorgeous. And I love that this eye look gives you like a hint of Wildcat red while still being beautiful and wearable. I think it is perfect for Central Washington University graduation makeup, and it's also perfect for somebody who wants to have a little bit more of a glam makeup look. I also made a more natural graduation makeup look, and I will leave that linked in case you want to check that one out as well. And all of the products that I used in today's video are available at the Wildcat Shop at Central Washington University. The Wildcat Shop is also now offering makeup applications. They are only $10 to book your appointment, and then you receive a $10 off coupon of your next purchase of Smashbox at the Wildcat Shop. And if you are interested in the makeup application, you can just go ahead and DM me on Instagram to book your appointment. It's absolutely perfect for graduation pictures or anything else that you would want your makeup done for. So be sure to check out Smashbox at the Wildcat Shop, and you can comment below or DM me to book your appointment or to find out more information about the makeup application. So yeah, I think that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.